Right, I've got it in a little break of making an horrible noise. If it does come on, then you'll know exactly what it means. But what I'm doing here, guys, is a sonic cleaning of an EGR cooler from a 2-litre diesel Passat that's done about 75,000 miles. There's a tool number if you didn't know. So it's currently sat on a 2-hour cycle at 70 degrees with the correct cleaning solution in there. Now, that was clear about 2 minutes ago when I put it in. So as you can see, it's murky as out now. But that's going to sit and do its thing. You can see it's in there as well. That's how bad it is. It's going to sit and do its thing for 2 hours. I've got to run that twice as well, so it's quite a lengthy process, but necessary to do what I need to do to get this EGR cooler somewhere, or either working or we can condemn it a little bit more. But this is the process. So the VAS 6418 is a sonic bath, and I'm going to let that do its thing now for a few hours. So I'll bring you back and we'll see just how clean it gets it after a couple of rounds in here.